Hello students, in this class we are going to discuss about Visarg Sandhi. In this class we will discuss about Visargasya, Utta, Ratta and Lupaha. In our previous class we had already discussed about Satta Visarg Sandhi. Okay, now first of all you see Utta Visarg Sandhi. In this regard you have given two rules. Visargasya U Bhavati, this one is, and other one is Visargasya U. These two are rules about Visargasya sthane Okarasya parivartanam. Okay, according to the first rule, Visargasya sthane Okaro Bhavati and Koda Bhavati Yodi Pratham Ditya Varnasya Prathamasya Ditya शब्दस्य प्रथम वर्णः अ भवति तथा प्रथम शब्दस्य अन्तिम वर्णः अः भवति तत्र विसर्गस्य स्थाने ओकारः एंड द्वितीय शब्दस्य प्रथम अवर्णस्य स्थाने लुप्त ओ अकारः भवति यू सी प्रथमः अध्यायः इज अः प्रथमः and the second syllable in the second word first syllable is a. You see here prathamaha aha sthane visargasya aha sthane okar prathamu and next a is lupta a. Okay, prathamaha adhyayah prathamo adhyayah as like that nipaha abadat nipu abadat esaha akathayat esu akathayat etc examples. Next one is Visargasya Utta. Visargasthane Koda Ukar Bhavati Yodi Prathama Sabdasya Antima Varnaha Aha Bhavati means Satraha, Saha, Yasaha etc. Aha Bhavati Tatha Ditya Sabdasya Prathama Varna Vargasya Tritiya Saturtha Panchama Varna और यर लव एक्सेट्रा वर्णस्य व्यवहार भवति तत्र विसर्गस्य स्थाने ओकारो भवति एज फॉर एग्जांपल छात्रः हसति छात्रु हसति मृगः धावति मृगु धावति देवः गच्छति देवु गच्छति एक्सेट्रा इन दिस एग्जांपल्स Chatrah, in this word Chatrah, aha, Chatrah, and the first syllable of the second word is ha, yara, lava, among these varna, here we have seen the ha varna, therefore ha is used here, and for that purpose, Visargasya sthane okaro bhavati. Chatrah hasati, Chatru hasati, Mrigah dhavati, Mrigu dhavati, ha is the third syllable or fourth syllable means Chaturtha Varna of the Varga, the Varg, etc. as like that Devaha Gacchati, Deva Gacchati, Ka Vargasya Tritiya Varna Ga. Therefore, here also used as Ukar, Devaha Gacchati, Deva Gacchati, etc. Okay. Next, you see another example. Ratta Visarg Sandhi. Ratta Visarg Sandhi means Visargasya sthane rakar means ref. When we can use ref in place of Visarg. Okay. We can use ref in place of Visarg if the syllables or varnas of the second word, first syllable of the second word is yara labaha and or the vargasya tritiya saturtha pancham varnaha bhavati, then we can use ref. Ra means ref here. We can use ref. And as in the first syllable example you see ni jug balaha nirbalaha. In the first word, we must be never seen the a and a. A and a varnasya vyavaharo na bhavati in this rule. Okay, here we will see the uses of ईकार उकार एकार एक्सेट्रा. You see here ni juk balah nirbalah. Next another example is you see koi juk uktam koi ruktam phanu juk idam phanur idam etc etc. These are the rules of Ratta Visarga Sandhi. In Ratta Visarga Sandhi, in the first word, the last syllable will be used with ikar, ukar, etc. In last Visarga with Visarga, and the first syllable of the words second word will be yara, laba, ha or Vargasha, Tritiya, Chaturtha and Pancham Varna. Next one is Visarga Lopaha Sandhi. Visargasya Lopaha kada bhavati. Visargasya Lopaha bhavati. Yodi saha and asaha, these two words are used, and in next word we use other vowel except a, and then the visarga will be hide. You see in the examples Visargasya Sandhi saha juk eti sa eti, asaha juk saloti asa saloti, saha juk gacchoti sa gacchoti, saha juk pathati sa pathati. In these words saha is used here and asaha is used here, okay, and in other words we have to see in a, cha, wa, etc. words. Then if when we use these words, then visarga will automatically hide. Okay. Next one is visargasya lopaha. Another rule about the lopa or hide of visarga. When the visarga will be hide, if the last syllable of the first word related with a and the first syllable of the second word is except the a vowel, other vowel used as like e, u, etc., then the visarga will be hidden. You see here Arjunaha juk ubasa, Arjuna ubasa, Arjunaha aha, here used as aha, Arjunaha. In the second word first syllable is u, therefore the visarga is hidden here as like that Suryaha udeti, Surja udeti. Next Surjaha udeti, this one. Then Arjuna gacchoti, Arjunaha aha agacchoti, Arjuna agacchoti, etc. etc. Example. And last rule visargasya lopaha, other rules. Okay. If the last syllable of the word first word is are related as like devaha, noraha, etc., and the first syllable of the second word is tritiya, chaturtha ya pancham varna of any varg, and yara, lava, ha, this varna comes, then the visarga will be hidden. As you see here, devaha juk jayoti, deva jayoti, purusaha juk hasanti, purusa hasanti, devaha juk gachanti, deva gachanti, etc. etc. These are the rules about Lopa Sandhi, Utta Sandhi and Ratta Sandhi. You see this carefully. Okay.